Hello and welcome to Khatta Meeta Stories, a channel of authentic and variety dishes. I'm Bipin and I'm trying today the coriander or Dhaniya Pulao. Let's go straight to the kitchen. Take oil and ghee together. Add large cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, small cardamom, bay leaves, and half cut chillies and sort them. Add chopped onion, preferably in the vertical position, and remember, this is the most important stage of pulao, where you have to saute this on a sim gas till it becomes golden brown. Just before it reaches the final stage, you have to add the cashew nuts. Stir it well again for a few minutes. Take coriander in a mortar and pestle, grind that, or you can use the mixer. Take the paste and add to the onion. Stir it well again. The good quality Basmati rice is to be soaked for 30 minutes. And this soaking time is very important. Add the soaked rice to the onion and coriander. Continue to stir till the rice is roasted so that it can give good flavor. This pulao can go well with a chicken or mutton curry or even a veg curry, or if it is cold you can even enjoy with curd. We have added now salt to taste. If you are enjoying this video, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe for the channel. Now we have added 1 full lemon juice. Continue to stir. This recipe is approximately for 4 to 5 people. And finally add 3 to 4 teaspoons of pure ghee so that it can get a wonderful aroma. Add water, stir it and put the lid. Within approximate 20 minutes, our coriander pulao should be ready. Enjoy the dish as well as the Khatta Meeta channel.